Well, hello and welcome into a new Design With Me video. In today's video, we are going to design together an art supply shop logo. We are going to make the entire logo suit, I hope so, which include primary logo, secondary logo, submark, and maybe some icons. Let's see how fast we can get. So here's what's going to happen. In the first part of this video, I'm going to show you what I have already done over there, which is the mood board and the color palette. Then in the second part in this video, we are going to go into my iPad and we're going to sketch our logo. And the last part of this video will happen in Adobe Illustrator on my desktop. We will actually design. Without further ado, let me show you what is going on my computer. Okay, so here it's what's going on. First, we have been finding on goodbrief.io a brief. So it says, we are a family store that sells art supplies. Our main product stands out because of its reputation and convenience. Our target audience is young adults. We want to convey a sense of bravery while at the same time being kind. I don't know if I will follow the exact brief. I kind of want to go with the flow. I just wanted a base. It says we need a brand name, consistent visual system, and of course a great logo. And so the company name, so they sell art supplies, and the company name I decided to name it Handmade. So here is the mood board I came up with for this family store. I made it fun, young, still very professional, and I really like that. And I wanted a lot of great colors, so I made this color palette out of the mood board. I just picked up some colors and made the primary colors. That's gonna be these over here, and then I made tons of variation for flexibility into the brand. Now I've already made one concept. I was thinking of making hand in cursive or in hand script font and made in a sans-serif font. And then I was like, since it's art supplies, why don't we just add some paint underneath it? I like it. I'm not gonna lie, I am not entirely convinced this is what I want to go for, so we are going now to go into my iPad. We are going to sketch out the entire Handmade logo, see what idea I come up with, and then maybe we can also draw some little art supplies. I'm gonna make some research about that, what we can get, and we will vector that again into Adobe Illustrator and see what concept we like best. Let's get the iPad going. I'm gonna use Procreate for this, and I'll see you after the sketch is done. Okay, you guys, we are done with our sketching, and I just put it into Adobe Illustrator, so let's try to make something out of our drawing. So what we're gonna do now is that we're gonna keep these over here in case we need it. Image trace these. So I'm gonna click on that, I'm gonna embed it, and I'm gonna do image trace, and I'm gonna do black and white logo. Okay, So it did it already. I'm gonna go there and I'm gonna do and ignore white. And now, oh good, so I'm gonna do expand. So I'm gonna do ungroup. Alright, the thing is I do wanna take this H and this M to put them together because they are not the same, because I didn't, you know, draw exactly the same way. So I'm gonna see, maybe I can make some modification over here also to make it a little bit better. So this is what we're going to work on right now. We're just going to work on this, and then I'm going to try to take this and this individual, the H and the M, and put them together to do my HM submark. And then we will play with our icons, add some, maybe some colors, and put them in a way that it does a really nice icon to add to our logo. All right, let's do it together. I'll see you right after we've done this. Okay, you guys, we've been designing quite a lot. We made so much progress. So here is our branding, our logo suit, I will call it. We have our brand mark HM, our primary logo and made again with art supplies on the bottom. We have our secondary logo with the art supply, without the art supply. We have an icon. We have another brand mark with the icon and the original brand mark HM to make it even more cool. And I have single little icons that we can use separately in so many other cases. I can also add an artboard here and make a really cute pattern. So this is what we're gonna do. Exactly what we wanted. Look how cute pattern. Now what I am going to do, what is usually the next step for this brand, will be to add colors. I'm gonna keep the black for the names. It's always going to be black. I really like the look, or like that really dark blue. Maybe that could be nice to add that dark blue everywhere. And I'm going to add some images as well as some background colors. So let's do that quick and we will look at the end result. So guys, just like this, our handmade art supply store has a full branding. Isn't it young and fun and cute? What we will need to do, and this is something that we'll do in the behind the scene of this video, we'll add our branding to some art supplies packaging and some mock-ups to see how the brand will look in real life, and you will be able to see that on my Instagram because I will publish all of those mock-ups on Instagram, so don't forget to follow me there to see the brand reveal. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it has been super helpful and you learn how to use a little bit more of Adobe Illustrator while watching me. If you did learn something today, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will highly appreciate you, and like this video. I will see you next week. Until next time, take care. Bye.